Hi, it's Eric from Boom Pow. Now imagine this nightmare. You and your family out on a nice, beautiful dinner when all of a sudden your favorite shirt and pants get a nasty big stain on it. What are you gonna do? Throw in the trash? Throw in the wash? Those are no longer the only options. And that's because we're gonna introduce to you the Boom Pow Wonder Stick, okay? Look at that. This comes straight from Japan. You know the Japanese make great products. You know they do, okay? And it's gonna make any stain you think is impossible to get out, it's gonna go away in a flash, okay? And I can prove it to you. Okay, we're gonna bring out a crisp white shirt, okay? This was a parting gift from my ex-wife at the time we were separated. Now, what's the scariest stain you can get on this kind of shirt? That's a red wine stain, buddy. Okay, let's bring out a glass of red wine right here, okay? Beautiful red wine, okay? But it gets on this shirt, oh. Ooh, that is painful to watch. I can tell you that, buddy, okay? It's already painful. You know, and you know what? Sometimes that's not even enough. Sometimes, you know, you have a little bit more. Let's get the bottle out. You know, you went to the bar to get some peace and quiet. Oh, and you spilled a little more, okay? Oh, what are you gonna do now? You're gonna use that stain stick. But before we use that, actually, before we use the stain stick, imagine this. You go home, you're at the bar, you're trying to have a nice time, and now you're back home, and you're trying to have some peace and quiet, because it hasn't been quiet in years in that house, okay? And you get the pasta out, because you're hungry. You wanna make yourself a meal, and she doesn't cook you any meals anymore. She doesn't make that, you know? You gotta make it for yourself. That's the reality of your situation. And now you're taking out all this stuff, and what are you gonna take out? You're gonna take out some marinara sauce, okay? This marinara sauce, you know, you're just trying to make stuff up pasta. You undo it, you know, you're making a beautiful pasta, and all of a sudden her voice comes down, nags the shit out of you, and it scares the shit out of you, and you just pour all that marinara sauce all over that white shirt. That shirt apparently is ruined. Not until you use that stick, but wait one second. You just rub it in. You just rub it in. You rub in that pasta sauce, okay? Because, you know, you're drunk as hell. You're drunk as hell. You've been drunk every night, and she hasn't noticed, but she has noticed, okay? The kids have been starting to notice, and that's when it starts whittling away your brain. You think, is she right? But then she just keeps talking. She just keeps talking. You know what? And you're just trying to, you know, at this point, you just throw a spoon on there. You just think, you know what? Let me get some more food, because I wanted to eat. I'm still hungry, okay? It doesn't matter what she's saying. So you bring out the peanut butter, okay? And the spoon's ruined, so you might as well just put your hand in there. Might as well just put your hand. Might as well just stick your whole hand in there, okay? And it's, you know, she's saying, oh, you do this every night. Anyway, so you have the peanut butter and you just put it all over that shirt. All over that shirt, okay? That is a stained shirt, okay? That's a stain on the shirt. That's a stain on a relationship, okay? What she did. Oh, look at that. Your hand's ruined, okay? So it's a spoon, so it's a shirt. The shirt's not ruined. It's the stick will fix that. But here's the thing. You're a little tired now, okay? You're getting tired, so what are you gonna get? You're gonna get some coffee? We'll get some coffee here. That's a beautiful roast, okay? That's a beautiful roast. Oh, and it's all over this fucking shirt. It's all over that shirt. Oh, and you know what? You made a mistake. You made a mistake. Let's put the coffee down. Except you don't, because you're still drunk, and you know, you're just trying to teach her a point. You're just trying to teach her a lesson. You know what? You tried to teach her a lesson years ago. You know what? We're not talking about that. We're not talking about that today. Okay, we're not talking about that. Okay, what else we got here? We got, you know, your taste buds are going off the rails. Your mind's going off the rails, okay? Look at this. Ooh, a little more stain. Oh, just the juice is coming out there. Oh, what are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do, huh? Let's put some barbecue. Okay, barbecue sauce. Let's unscrew that. Oh, like your mind's getting unscrewed slowly and slowly over the years. Oh, boom, barbecue. Ooh, what are you supposed to do? Remember that barbecue? That didn't work out. Mother-in-law kept yelling at you. Mother called. Oh, Eric, you're going a little real. Oh, you mix it all in there. You mix it all in there. Oh, make it nice and soft, you know? Nice and soft, because your voice is a little harsh, apparently, and that's my voice. How am I supposed to fix that, Martha? Okay, now we're going to take some applesauce. That's a classic stain, right? That's a classic stain. Let's get that all out of your hands, because you don't even bother. You don't even bother to do anything right, huh? You don't bother to do anything right. You know you did right one time? You know what you did right? Remember when I took Timmy out to that camping trip? Just father and son time, okay? He'll bring that up in a custody battle. I guarantee you that. He'll bring it up. Oh, and the graham crackers are ruined. Everything's crushed. Everything's crushed like our lives were crushed. Fucking dumb whore. Dumb bitch. Dumb. I did everything I could for you. And nothing was enough. Nothing was enough! Oh, okay. There's nothing to calm my nerves now, you fucking whore! Okay, yeah, let's get the syrup out. You know what? Remember that? Remember Pancake Mondays? That showed how much I cared, you know? I'm never there. Okay? I'm never there. You work a 9 to 5. This is a 12-hour day! A 12-hour shooting day! Okay, I'm here. I'm in front of a white shirt. I'm spilling things. You never appreciated me. I don't know what to do anymore. Oh my God. The dresses, the jewelry. Where do you think that came from? It came from the Boom Pow stick. Let's try this out. Oh, it went away like my marriage. It goes away. Why don't you take me back? everything's over. Like, this ad should be over, but it's not. You keep filming. You getting this cameraman, you loving it? Oh, I'm gonna puke. Oh my God.
Eric, are you okay?
Yeah, no, I can do it. I can do it.
I think we're done.
No, I'm not done. It's not over. It's not over, baby. Lower? You want to lower?
A little higher. All right, say the slogan again.
Fuck you.
Say the slogan again.
Fuck you. Oh, I dare you! I dare you to get me! I am a monster! This is killing me! You're taking the kids! You're taking my life! The one thing the Boom Pow Wonder Stick can't wonderfully erase! A piece of shit! Oh! I bet you love that! Fuck you! Fuck you shirts! Oh my God! Fuck Times Square! Fuck Times Square! Fuck you! I know we met there! Fuck you! Fuck everybody!